Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an apology letter for event cancellation. What is an apology letter for event cancellation? An apology letter is a physical document or email that acknowledges a mistake, expresses regret and asks for the letter recipient's forgiveness or patience about the event being cancelled. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an apology letter for event cancellation step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. Here, you have to write down the full name of the recipient. And write his or her home address. Mention the number, street name, the city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write to the point why you are writing this letter. Here, show your apology sincerely. For example, you can say that you are extremely sorry. And tell the recipient why you apologize. In this example, the writer apologizes because she or he had to cancel the event, which is a party. And write the date of the event that was supposed to happen. You have to write clearly that the event is cancelled. And write the reason why. In this example, the reason is due to circumstances. And again, show your sincere apology. You can write that you are ashamed for canceling the event. In the second paragraph, you have to elaborate the reasons why the event is cancelled. First, you have to understand how the recipient feels about this news. You need to pour it into words. For example, the recipient must have prepared everything to attend this party. Some of them come from far places or event internationally. Some may have brought family and friends for the occasion. And they must feel extreme disappointment because you cancel the event. You have to pour this into words. And talk more about the reason why this event had to be cancelled. In this example, it is because of lack of preparation of facing extreme weather like raining and thunderstorms. Yes, just mention sincerely without making a story. And show that you are not capable of handling this issue. Write the reasons why. For example, the event manager here didn't provide shelters to protect guests from rain and thunderstorms. After explaining in details about the reason why this event had to be cancelled, now, show your apology. Admit that it is your fault. Instead of blaming certain people, it is best to just admit you are wrong, since it is an apology letter, not blaming letter. And after admitting, show how you try to fix the issue. State that you will learn from mistakes. And show your willingness that you will give more proper preparation in the future. In the third paragraph, state that you regret for causing any inconveniences. And write that you have tried your best to inform the guests as soon as possible. And write that you will plan another event next month or anytime, with proper preparation. Some guests may no longer trust in you anymore, but if you write the apology sincerely, they will understand your situation. Therefore, once again, you have to apologize for any inconveniences that the guests faced. And show your excitement to seeing them in the next event. In the fourth paragraph, show your gratitude for the recipient for understanding this matter. And close the letter with warming words like best regards, sincerely, or lots of love. Finally, close it with your signature and your full name. So, that's how you write an apology letter for a cancellation event step by step. Of course, the guests will be upset since you cancel it. But they may forgive you if you write a proper apology letter. So, good luck.